I'm getting some tobacco anyway. Hey. Say hello to you. I had to tell a story one time with some people who think about who they are instead of just being who they are. I just told the story of it. There you have it. Meanwhile, this damn light that likes the strobe light, I made a video about it. I swear I'm gonna fucking fire an EMP rifle at it. Mark my words. Little strobe lighting son of a bitch light here. You know, my camera to yours, but never mind. I've been doing stuff for YouTube. Like I told you before, what I shoot doesn't shoot bullets or projectiles. No physical projectiles, anyway. Enjoy a reality check. Oh, shit, that light's probably gonna be in the way of being able to read it, but it doesn't matter. Since, you know, me doing a satire of America versus actual cultural awareness. I've already done this with the Good Morning Conformity video before. Posed to the retards who thought what? I'll just mislead you with the beer can in my hand instead. It's been my tactic. Anything you thought I was doing? Thanks for the idea.